Okay, so we are going to share our screen here. It's going to be a minute. I'm just setting up YouTube first before I get to setting up 14 day. So here we are with last night around 10 o'clock. I did record it. For you all. We had a beautiful signal here at 10, and that was the reversal of the 4-hour. So if you don't know, now you're going to know, is right here. I entered at that wick like I was teaching yesterday, and it retracted all the way back, went up, and then hit my take profit. It was a beautiful, beautiful signal. I mean, it took over 4 hours. I let it run. It was great. So that was other challenges that I forgot that I had completely. So I just let those run on quite a few contracts. But let's go take a look at today. What are we looking at? I'm going to get rid of the signal from night. We have another pretty steepish trend line. We could possibly push down here again, maybe. Remember how I said yesterday we were going to push down to almost these lows, or these lows, and it almost did it. So, crazy, crazy day. I'm going to say, with the way we're trending up like we did yesterday, we could be seeing a push down. That's the daily. And the candles got really small here on the 4-hour. And we have a beautiful wedge between a support, or I mean a resistance, and our trend line on the 1-hour. The purple areas are my support and resistance areas, the highs and lows of previous days. And I just leave them there. I drag them over every day, and we kind of run off of them. So we're having a beautiful wedge pattern here. We could potentially be doing what we did yesterday, because we're struggling to push up. And that's just my opinion. We're holding up at this little area here that I have marked from yesterday's live. So if you're wondering what we did yesterday, you can always go on our YouTube channel and watch our previous live stream and be able to see the exact signals that we sent out. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Today, it's going to be a good day, even though I'm in a lot of pain. So if you see me look a little bit miserable, it's only because my mouth is swollen. And I broke a molar accidentally last night. So I have to go get it removed at 11 o'clock. And she's like, I can have you come in at 9. And I'm like, I got to trade. Like, I didn't tell her that, but in my head, I'm like, I got to trade. And I got to trade for you guys too. So I will wait. And we will do any tooth extractions at 11. So I got to be out of here by 10:30 at least. So I'm sorry to dip out early on you guys, but I was in pain all night long. You're welcome. You're welcome. No, it's okay. I am good. I will be totally fine. It's funny. My husband's like, he's like, I know how tooth pain feels. You good? I was like, yep. Nothing's worse than pushing out a baby. He laughed. I always say that. I'm like, if you can have a kid, you're good. You'll be fine. And to those guys here, I mostly talk to stay-at-home moms. So you're just in for the ride on the conversations over here. Using your breakout strategy, I was able to grab $400 on that little push, waiting on the real break now. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you for doing that before we even got started. Look at you already up for the day. I know I'm a little early. I know everyone's. I just came on early today because I got to leave most likely a little bit early. I don't know. I'm kind of seeing a push to the downside again. If we push up, I will be very surprised because everything's showing a wedge. You know what that means? If we most likely push down here, gold's going to push up. That's usually how it works. They go opposites. I didn't even set up my other charts yet. Let's get those up and running. How's everyone doing today? Just setting up my charts. I opened up the Zoom a little early for everyone. Now you're probably asking, what am I doing? I usually wait till market open. So let's see what happens. Yeah, the way US 30's pushing up though, I don't know where US 30's going. US 30 seems to want to be opposites. Signed up for your first Top Step Combine Challenge. Congratulations. You excited? Welcome. And here we are, 10:30. Like I said, this is the lows. I'm going to push to take this break. Just like we did yesterday. Will it be identical? Who knows? I'm just going with the flow. 9:30 open. You could tap into these lows. That's why I'm looking. I'm not trailing super close because I want to give it some room to breathe. Oh, gonna get stopped out? No. Let's see on that 5 minute. That 5 minutes looking nice. I would say probably down to this area-ish. Secure 500. $6.30. $7.15. I'm happy with $7.15. See where we go. $7.07. Golden. Nice.
How long after we submit get the information for anytime we get the sales form, how long do we have to follow to wait for that?
You can go ahead and do it immediately. You can actually use that call, have your sales form uploaded to you if you like.
I think someone's mic is on. Oh my goodness. Make sure your mics are muted. So that was, can we re-enter on the pullback? We're going to see if there's a little 5 minute candle hack that comes about. Tap back into that low again. I would venture to say it just stopped at like this little random area here, even though there is, I guess you could say, a little support here. I was thinking maybe down to this area from yesterday. So let's see how the 5 minute candle hack works. Just scalped $1,036. Congratulations. You're also up $1,877 on your challenge. Make sure that if that's a top step challenge, you stop if you're on a 50K because you don't want to do over 1,500 or they'll make you make more. So that's just a 2 cents, but congratulations on $1,877 on your challenge. I would be done for the day too. Honestly, I'm probably, with the amount of pain that I'm in right now from my tooth, I'm going to say I'm done at 7:07, but we'll see. We'll see how good things look. Just exhausted. You're up. Oh, you hit $3,138? Dallas, you passed. Congratulations. Like you said, you're going to pass this challenge today, and you sure did. Congratulations. A lot of you passed yesterday, too. Congratulations. Now this 5 minute candle hack. I'm going to guess this is what we're going to be doing. You got to wait for it to slow its roll. Probably going to tap back down into this area. Oh, it got me. Break even. Hold on. I didn't want to pull down so soon. When it leaves a huge wick like this, you can almost bet that it's going to come back down here to this area. You just gotta give it a little bit of time on that 5-minute candle like we talk about. Let her make her move. Oh, it's okay. It's only appearing to me. Well, to everybody else in the chat, but still, it's not going to be on YouTube. Don't worry. Come on. Made your 600 for the day. Hope the dentist goes well. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations to everyone. And yeah, I hope it goes well. I'm pretty sure it'll go quick. I literally feel like this pain in this eye like is kind of going blurry over it because I'm getting annoyed from all night being in pain. I'll be over it soon. I had a trade with you guys today, and I'm so happy I didn't take that 9 o'clock appointment. Congratulations on your $600. April. Is April here yet? Come on. You see she wants to push down. Down here. I'm calling you. I know you're late. I saw you come in and I'm like, oh, April's not in. I thought you were here already. By the way, stop loss already moved to break even. What in the world? Let me move my stop loss. Why can't I move my stop loss? That was stupid, Top Step. So you're telling me if I have a trade there, I can't move my stop loss? If we don't push down, I'm going to be so surprised. So surprised. I might be quick scalping this one. Don't pull that nonsense. See, there's no wick on the other side. I'm waiting. Top Step glitched on 2 trades. I would be so pissed. Better not today. Today's not the day. I'm just securing because I don't like the way that was looking. Now you wait. You wait till 6 p.m. They send you a confirmation and you're golden. I'll take my $881. I'm done. 6 Eastern, yes. 6 Eastern. I'm done for the day. How'd everyone else do? Sorry, I'm reading the Telegram chat too. I'm getting advice on how I should get my tooth fixed in the indicators chat. I gotta go read it. How'd everyone do today? Let's get this sitting right. Ceramic implants. They could do ceramic implants today? I thought it was just titanium. And I heard titanium was actually better for you than the surgical stainless steel. Huh. That's cool. I'm going to need one for my molar. Metals can still cause issues to the body. Wow. I'm usually like that person that's all into that, but I didn't look into like implants and stuff like that. Not in the dentist field yet. I'm still trying to navigate not buying General Mills and Kellogg's and bioengineered food. Up $1,483 for the day. Congratulations, Dallas. You need 1,100 more to pass tomorrow. You got this. You got this. Yeah, so 5-minute candle hack basically worked today. It was just a little delayed, but we still made money. I scalped it pretty close because I just didn't feel like waiting that whole time. I still think that it could potentially tap back down into this area because this is just a weird area to just leave behind like that. I was supposed to get a root canal, but it reversed because I oil pull every morning. Oil pulling will change your life. What is oil pulling? You guys know more than I do with this stuff. Can I pass more challenges while trading on my live? Yeah. So you can trade your live and you can pass more challenges. Yes. You just set up the copy trader to support more challenges. What is Nitro doing for me? Nitro did $33 for me today. It took a couple sells. I use Guru. I'm going to butcher that word. I'm not even going to say it. So, a bunch of essential oils. Swish it in your mouth 15 minutes. I can barely keep Listerine in my mouth for 30 minutes. Or for 30 seconds. Oh my goodness, 30 minutes. That would be so painful. Burning. Like I said, I figured it would come back down to this area. Come back down to this area, tap into it again. Who got in on the pullback? There you go. Beautiful. Listen, we got like a repeat from yesterday. We are blessed. Repeat from yesterday. April, you got in. I'm so happy. Made $30. There you go. 1, 2. Well, this was actually technically my second signal. I guess I should put that in there. So we had our second one. Well, what was the entry? Right around this area-ish? Our stop was here. Or here. I had. And I stopped out here. Just because I didn't like the way it was looking. No, I stopped out right about here. And then I pulled down here. You guys saw it. I'm just putting it there for reference. I don't know why I'm trying to explain myself. I was watching that pull back like a hog. I would be too if I came on late. we're done. Look at that. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Tap back down into those lows, like I said. Probably tap into we still got this low from yesterday. So who knows? We could tap into it again. But we got basically almost an identical repeat of yesterday. We had one beautiful break, and then I got in on the other one. Just beautiful. Oh, I think I moved this up when I was moving it around. Because I'm pretty sure I was like here. Yeah, it got moved up because Top Step was bothering me. I can see you're trading Top Step prop firm. Do they allow copy trading from your accounts to challenge accounts? Yes, they do. You were able to grab $1,600. Shannon was able to grab $728. Then we have $2,095 on your practice still. Still, you're learning patience. Congratulations for showing up even in a demo, because that's just what you need to do sometimes, especially as a beginner. And you're learning this, give it to you for doing it. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say we tap back down into here. I don't know what we're doing exactly for the rest of the day. My brain is still trying to work through all this. So stick with me here. Cracking a tooth depends on the tooth and where the crack is. Well, my parents took me to a dentist that decided to basically drill out all my teeth and say that they were all cavities. So every single one has a filling in it, including all of my molars. And I got unknown root canals that I didn't even know existed. I can't believe my parents even went for that. I was like 13, 14 years old. Drilled out every single tooth except for some of the front ones. However, I do have proof of him taking that little like sharp tool, and because my teeth are so, they've always been like weak and brittle in a way, but I didn't have cavities. Like you could tell when you have cavities, and I knew I didn't. But with these two teeth up here, he tapped with that little sharp tool and created cavity holes. So he purposely messed everything up. And he was not a good dentist. I would never recommend going to him. I couldn't believe my father took me to him. And it was a mess. Absolutely a mess. And now I'm paying what? They quoted me at the dentist in order to fix all those teeth. Yeah, I know cavities are reversible. And they weren't deep at all. They were like, a couple of them I did see. They were like surface level. But they were like, no, we're going to drill them all out. So I have like a very, very thin, like maybe 1.5 centimeter layer of my actual tooth. And the rest is all just fillings all throughout my mouth. And obviously 10 years later, the way he did it was like a root canal. They should have all had crowns on them. They didn't. So now I'm paying $30,000 to get my teeth fixed from something that probably would have never needed to be fixed at 28 years old. So pay the price later, I guess. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. I have a feeling it's what's contributing to all my headaches is all the fillings. I should never had those. And that's what happened. So depending on the tooth crack, literally all that's showing is the entire outer layer of the tooth came off while I was eating, just out of nowhere. And the tooth doesn't even look awful. It's just he grounded it down so thin that it was going to break. Have you had root canals removed yet? No, I have not. Not yet. Not yet. I haven't been able to find a good dentist. I'm super picky about the dentist. Oh, wow. Yep. I'm still trying to figure that all out. So we hit take profit today. Yeah, my root canals are probably the cause. Especially, they didn't put a crown on them. I've had them for 14, oh my goodness, 14 years, 15 years now. And they did not put a crown on it. I didn't know I had it until a couple years ago. he goes, so have you ever had any root canals? And I'm like, no. And he scans my mouth and he's like, were you aware that you had root canals? I'm like, no. And he's like, well, you did. You have 2 of them. And I'm like, okay, so what do we do? He's like, well, we got a problem because each tooth gets like kind of an abscess underneath of it. So he says that I have to take constant antibiotics and blah, blah, blah. So I don't take that. I just take oregano oil. Oregano oil has been keeping me alive. Or oil of oregano, I should say. Is it more affordable to restart the combines and cancel the old ones and start fresh? What do you mean? Like cancel the old combines? Yeah, I figured we would range a little bit today. Well, you wouldn't want to because if you just click the reset button, it's going to reset your subscription. So you won't have to worry about like your subscribing early because you reset it. Just reset it. It's going to be the same price anyway. It's not like they give you a discount deal if you're using Top Step. So I wouldn't do that because they've now limited everyone to 9 combines a month. So you want to save those extra ones that you have. Just reset them inside of the dashboard. Done trading. Okay, then I won't have to pay for my subscription until 30 days. Correct. I mean, that's what it says on my dashboard. Every time I do it, it says it adjusts my subscription date. What are we doing here on the 1 minute? A 15-second, we're showing another little pullback. In the 1 minute, kind of too. Really doesn't look like it wants to go up today. Do we have anything from the indicators? I do not know. We have a buy from the oh wait, no, sorry. We do not have a buy from the indicators. That's earlier before it reloaded. Sells on the 15-second and the 30-second. Do we? Let's see. I think mine came earlier. Mine came a little earlier. There. I do not know the Top Step email. You can go to their website, scroll all the way to the bottom. and they have a chat support. I know you have to go through the Windy platform, their Windy AI bot. You know what? And then we're going to tap back down into this area again. NASDAQ's playing around today. If you didn't catch that market open, then they're making it difficult for you. You're welcome, and thank you. I'll be good. I'll be out soon. Got to get going. Congratulations, Ryan, on getting to making real money on your live account. I think I'm going to get out of here. I need to eat some breakfast and get going so I'm not too late. I got to leave by 10:30. I got to run too. Good luck. Thank you. So you know the drill. Breakouts, continuations. Make sure you're scalping closely. You're not risking anymore. Don't risk all your profits. I would say we are done for the day. Look at all these wicks everywhere. There's no reason why you should continue trading right now, except for maybe that little trade that you're in right now and seeing if it plays out. But make sure that your stop loss is above this little area here, because I wouldn't risk any more than that. Thank you, Katrina. Please take care of yourself. I think I speak for everyone by saying we want you to be pain-free. Thank you. I will be. I will be. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day. Congratulations on your wins today. Congratulations to everyone. And I will see you, tomorrow? Yeah, it's only Wednesday. Congratulations to everyone. Hope all goes well with the dentist. Hope you feel better. Thank you. You still made money. Proud of that. So $881 for the day across all of the accounts. And if you're in this trade, make sure you're trailing. Make sure you're making money. Don't risk anymore. Thank you. Talk to you soon.
Recording stopped.
Closing out of everything. Now it's time to close out of the YouTube live stream. My goodness, this looks awful. We're going to stop sharing here. If you want to get the Firestorm indicators, you want to trade with me every single morning, you want to be in the live chat with us, you want to be in our Telegram community, you want signals sent to your phone, you want all that extensive training, click the link below. Join the Firestorm indicators. We'd love to have you a part of the community. And we're a very active community. Every morning we teach binary options, futures, Forex trading. We have strategies for everything here, and we make it simple and effective. And we are actually, I got this question yesterday, and I thought I repeated this enough, but we are the only company with an accuracy meter on every single chart. So when you join the Firestorm indicators, every single chart will have its own custom accuracy meter. So you don't have to worry about the back testing part of a brand new indicator. It's already done for you. You know the accuracy of it. Gives you more confidence in taking your trade and moving on. So if you have any more questions, our Instagram account is below, our business one and my personal one. And then, of course, the website is down below as well. We have our automated trading robots on there. Can you automate the Firestorm indicators? Yes, you can. You can automate them right to Tradeovate if you want to, or to any Forex broker that you like. See you in the next one.